along with some important SaaS metrics. Revenue is the most important number for small and medium-sized businesses. Determining it accurately and consistently, especially when you are selling different products with complex billing cycles, can become hard and time-consuming. Let's see how TrueRev makes it easy for you. On your TrueRev dashboard, go to Revenue under Reports. Under View, you can see the customer view like this one. TrueRev automates revenue, deferred and unbilled revenue, revenue recognized or GAAP revenue, deferred revenue, which are payments you have received in advance for services you will provide in the future, unbilled revenue, which is revenue you have started to recognize but haven't yet billed the customer. Typically, this data in an Excel sheet would be rows and rows of information with a lot of formulas, which can become unwieldy and time-consuming. TrueRev helps solve this major pain point. At any point, you can see what you're selling to your customers, the product, and the contract driving that revenue. You can also see the contract term, from which revenue is derived, and from which term, an initial term or a renewal term. Try doing all of this in Excel, simplified in TrueRev. You can get deep and accurate insights into revenue, for example, by product, or by your customers' contracts, and even revenue by general ledger accounts to ensure the most accurate journal entries.